So, good day sir, my name is Marcos Asako, and in this video we're going to discuss about uh, the display of other navigational information in IMO performance standard. So 7.1 radar information and or AIS information may be transferred from systems compliant with the relevant standards of the organization. Other navigational information may be added to the ECDIS display. However, it should not be degrade the displayed system database information, and it should be clearly distinguishable from the system database information. Next is in 7.2, it should be possible to remove the radar information, AIS information, and other navigational information by single operator's action. So it means in 7.1 it clearly says that it should not be degrade, or that the display system should be clearly um, differentiate the system database information. And how in 7.2 it's very understandable that in one single action of the operator, it should be possible to remove the radar information. And then in the 7.3, ECDIS and added navigational information should use a common reference system. If this is not the case, an indication should be provided. So let's proceed to the radar. So 7.4.1, transferred radar information may contain a radar image and or tracked target information. It's very understandable. So 7.4.2, if the radar image is added to this display, the chart and the radar image should match in scale, projection, and orientation. Next is in 7.4.3, the radar image and the position from the position sensor should both be adjusted automatically for antenna offset from the gunning position. Next is the 8 display mode and generation of the neighboring area. So 8.1, it should always be possible to display the system database information in a north-up orientation. Other orientations are permitted. When such orientations are displayed, the orientation should be altered in steps large enough to avoid unstable display of the chart information. Next is 8.2. ECDIS should provide for true motion mode. Other modes are permitted. Next is 8.3. When true motion mode is in use, reset and generation of the chart display of the neighboring area should take place automatically at on ship's distance from the edge of the display as determined by the mariner. Next is 8.4. It should be possible to manually change the displayed chart area and the position of on ship relative to the edge of the display. Next is 8.5. If the area covered by the ECDIS display includes waters for which no ENC at a scale appropriate for navigation is available, the areas representing those waters should carry an indication which is seen in the appendix 5 to the mariner to refer to the paper chart or to the RCDS mode of operation, which can be seen in the appendix 7. So that's the end of the presentation, and that's all, sir, and thank you.